Dear students, today we are going to talk about an article from prose section, that is on saying please. This article is written by A.G. Gardiner, who had written number of well-known and famous articles under the pen name of Alpha of the Plough. Good manners, courtesy, politeness play a very important role in day-to-day life of any person. The writer in this article has raised the question of morality in everyday life and we just cannot ask any person to be gentle or polite. It is his natural line of thinking, it is his natural inclination to behave with others. Importance of courtesy and politeness play a very important role in human life. Polite speech, behavior of every person's life is supposed to be the thing that creates his own image in the society. Polite speech and behavior of every person's life make the atmosphere pleasant and tranquil around us. The law does not compel anyone to say please and thank you. But these are the words that make human life more beautiful and meaningful. If bad manners are infectious, so also are good manners. And therefore, we have to talk to any person with a touch of politeness and severity. If you are rude and having a lack of courtesy, you will certainly spoil and pollute the atmosphere around you. This is the thought-provoking and inspiring article which asks us to be very honest and transparent in our day-to-day affair. The young man in a city office operating the lift was a hot-tempered and unpredictable person. He threw a passenger out of the lift who only said top. The liftman expected top please. After complaint, the liftman was fined for the offence. Discourtesy is not a legal offence. If someone enters your home with the purpose of robbery, you can retaliate him or her with reasonable violence. Legal system cannot make law against bad manners or cannot sanction the use of violence against something which itself does not recognize as a legal offense which is punishable. I may dye my hair or may not dye. It's a question of my choice or my liking. At the most, law will take the note of myself as an ill-mannered fellow. The damages to emotional world are never negligible. The pain of a kick to the self-respect or vanity of the liftman poisons his whole day. The passenger who was thrown away was going to his employer, but he did not say good morning to him. He was badly suggested by his wife to do something at the time of breakfast. Bad manners poison the stream of general life than any other crimes in the calendar. Please and thank you are the words which make human life very pleasant and perfect. The job of a conductor is of patience and discipline. The writer was traveling in a city bus, but he had forgotten to carry money with him. He had a coin of very small value in his pocket with which he could not buy a ticket. He honestly told the conductor that he had no money to buy the ticket. Even then, the conductor gave him the ticket. The writer asked where he could send the money. The conductor smiled and said, "You are always on this way. Give me the money at any time." The writer at last found a shilling in his pocket and the matter was settled. The conductor was caring and concerned about children and old people. If bad manners are infectious, so also good manners. John Keats said, "Nothing clears up my spirits like a fine day." On saying please is an article that puts before us the message that if we want better returns from other people, we also have to behave in a better manner with others. As you sow, so shall you reap. This is the simple law of the nature, and nobody is an exception for that. And therefore, you are suggested to use the words like please, thank you, excuse me, sorry, whenever it is possible for you to use it as per the demand of the situation. And I hope you can understand the substance, the central idea of this